Struggling to prepare for the quantitative aptitude section for the CAT? Coping with complex problems and tricky questions. Introducing GP Ka Funda, the ultimate guide to conquering CAT exams. Explore detailed solutions for previous year's questions on topics. Chapter 1, Number System. Chapter 2, Arithmetic. Chapter 3, Geometry and Mensuration. Chapter 4, Modern Maths. Chapter 5, Algebra. Here's a sneak peek of Chapter 1. Number System. Classification of numbers. PQ form. HCF, LCM and applications. Divisibility rules. Cyclicity. Factorial. Number of factors. Remainders. Sturds and indices. Base system. Each chapter includes previous year questions with answers and detailed explanation through videos. Just scan the QR code for a step-by-step guide. Elevate your CAT preparation with GP Ka Funda. Get your copy today and start your journey to success.